What is going on here?
What does it look like it is going on?
See that kitchen pool. See that pool. What is wrong with you? What are you doing here?
Yeah. Give me the pot. I am not done dishing food for myself.
Get out of the kitchen. You have no place here. This is now my kitchen.
No. This is my son's house. And this kitchen is in my son's house.
Okay.
This house belongs to my son. For 9 months. I carried him 9 months in this room. Suckled this breast for almost 2 years. So you don't have any right to disrespect me in my own son's house. I didn't come to your father's house.
Anako, nonsense. Bullshit! Bullshit!
He's sucking your hair. I'm going
Now, Kangwagi, if you don't get he stayed there for 9 months. And you see this your breast? He suckled it for 2 years. Man, if you don't get this one, he will stay here. He will live here for the rest of his life until he dies. And you see this breast? He will suck it until his hair goes grey. So, Sirigin Sensei, see the kitchen poa. Get out!
Give me that. You are looking for my trouble. In our family.
Where, Ben? Get out of this kitchen! Give me the pot!
Give you what?
Get out of this kitchen! Get out! You won't see anything in this house. This is my place. This is my husband's house. You have no right here. You have the husband's house. Is your husband dead? Is he dead? You cannot be here and control me now. This is my husband's house. I'm in charge. They're eating rice.
Hi, Mama. Good afternoon, Ma. You're welcome. Mama, let me help.
Don't touch it.
You're welcome, Mom.
What are you doing here?
I am Ifeanyi's girlfriend. No, I mean his fiancée. Your daughter-in-law to be, God's willing.
Daughter-in-law?
Yes, Ma.
Nebezi. Is that your title in my son's house? Or Jakake Koiro title?
No, Ma. I'm sorry, I didn't mean it that way. I was only trying to introduce myself to you.
Ah. So what is your name?
Sandra.
Sagini?
Sandra.
What is your Igbo name? Ezuruonye Igbo?
Urenna.
Urenna?
Yes, Ma.
Urenna?
You mean my son name? Achum. Urenna Sandra Achum.
Urenna Sandra Achum.
Yes, Ma.
From Imo State?
Yes, Ma.
Eh? It's a yes. Hey! It's a yes. It's a yes. You know? It's a yes. Where is my son, by the way?
He went to work in Papa.
He went to work?
Yes, Ma.
Monkey they walk, babu they chop. And you occupied his house as if you own it with him. You get a fridge, you open it, take something and put in your mouth on AC. Sits as if you own the house. Eh? Anyway, no problem. I will leave this discussion as it is now. Once he comes back, I will continue with it in a better version. Hey, Imo State. Eh? Ejibo Saga complain. Hey! Eh?
Mama, I can see you're tired. Let me show you to your room.
Ha! Mechipugon. You don't want to show me room in my son's house. Eh? This is my son's house and not your house. Have you seen why I don't like him, most people? Fana want you re. Yes!
I'm sorry, Mama. I didn't mean it that way.
How else do you mean it? How did you mean it? This is my son's house. It is also my house. If I like, I'll go to the master's bedroom, stay with my son there, and you choose where you want to stay and stay there.
Sorry, Ma.
You want sorry, what? Sorry, Nkegi. Sorry.
Okay, Ma, so where do you want me to keep your bag?
Keep it in that room. I will sit here and wait for my son to come back. Guy, Loka. Loka guy. I hope that room is properly swept.
Yes, Ma. I did.
Did you sweep it now or before?
No, before your arrival.
Ah. No problem.
Mama, is there any other thing you want me to do for you?
Mba. Jobegodo, I'm waiting for my son to come back.
Okay, Ma. I'll be upstairs. Because if you go near you, no fear. I don't know where my son sees these girls. So, Osieba, Sana Barojemi Mostet, Jichonya. Is there nothing in the house? I want to eat. I'm hungry. Yes, Ma, I just finished cooking.
Get me something to eat, quickly. Also. Am I going to bat with it? So you cannot buy small one. That's why I talk about Anambra girls. If it's an Anambra girl, she will buy small one. You brought it for me to wash hand. No, I should bet with it.
Sorry, ma.
Ha! What is this? Huh?
Okra soup, ma.
You made okra soup for your mother-in-law, your supposed mother-in-law. I'm your son's fiancé, your future daughter-in-law. And you cannot bend down and become an adopted Anambra girl. You should have gotten onubu, leave. I can't draw again for onubu. But onubu for inu. Igbo people, they like artificial. Serve your mother-in-law fresh bitter leaf soup. That is the clean. I put on that lesson we learn SCC. With azo, mangala. We don't get it. Nede. We more phone we fair. If they throw phone like this, Obiage no borrow.
Sorry, ma.
You are sorry. So the welcome meal you're giving your mother-in-law. Oh, meet my, I am your son's fiancé. Your son's fiancé. I'm your future daughter-in-law. Daughter-in-law, but kanda, do you know for nobody show na? She's always like comparing. She's not grateful. Obro.
Sorry, ma.
Sorry. Always sorry. Why can't people do the right thing? Tobeya! Sorry to me. Are you sure you're the one that cooked this food with this snail fix? You know, Igbo people, they like artificial. If it were an Anambra girl, this apple will not be one like this. So we take a makoyo no koya pam. Savoya, the kanyara, or the meaning. Oh, God, I'm narrow. Maybe when Zono moon as well, Kewo. Gonna make one choice. Abakwa. Ano kaka ifere. Hey. Ewo. Hey. Oh, no.
Mama, Kekwa. Do no kwan.
I don't know.
That's good. Oh, I don't think you know.
I call again.
Mama. So I see you met my fiancé.
Fiogini.
My fiancé now.
Which fiancé? You won't give you with fiancé. No, you're not sure if you're not one lady.
Okay, the one.
Potaba no.
Potaba
Uzagaro. She cannot be your fiancé. Just stop it.
Mama, stop this now. What's wrong with this girl now?
I think just stop.
What's wrong with this girl now? What's wrong with her? Mama, chapel.
Chapel again. Mwasa bromokra soup to welcome me. There is no atom of Anambra brought up girl in her. If you're go see, you need an Anambra wife.
Mama. Mama, I was the one who specifically told her to make that okra for you now. Because I told her to make the okra soup for you because you were coming.
You knew it was the one that would be easy for her to prepare. If it were an Anambra girl who not an phone, no machastion, wait, telephone, with those bogi, no poroko, Malanka, I could go see. I want the best for you.
Mama, this is the best for you.
Imo people can never make good wives. They don't know how to keep a home. They don't know how to cook. They don't know how to be good wives. Even in their marriages, they go after men.
Mama, stop this now.
And when if you found man,
Mama, stop. Is
this kind of people?
Listen, Mama, they are respectable girls. Trust me when I say this, respectable, well-behaved girls from Imo State too now.
You cannot compare it with the one you have in Anambra State.
Mama.
But you need to marry an Anambra woman, specifically from Nnewi. Mama is your marry so that we know who raised her, where she's coming from, and how to bring her into our own home. We cannot bring one useless into our
don't
house.
call her useless because, you know what? Let me go and take my bath and we'll talk about this.
There is nothing to talk about again. This is final. You're not going to marry her. There is nothing to talk about. There is nothing to talk about. Don't even impose this girl. Tell her on time so that tell her on time. On her ways. Otherwise, I'm going to be excuse me. There's nothing for us to talk about. We are done talking about this. You go to television, can nene.
Asam, my love, my baby. I see you met my mom. Yeah? How was your day? But my mind was Guinea. I'm telling you, baby, I'll go for that's that our market is very I don't even get where no. That's I said dealing with illiterates in the market. No. So
what does your mother think of me?
Think of you, quoi? What are we talking about, my Baby, do you know who you are? Of course she likes you now. What kind of question is that now? My mother loves you. My mother adores you. She likes you too much. That's my magician. You know you're a magician. That's anytime you appear like this, every other person disappears around me. What are you talking about?
That's not it. Does she like me at all?
Of course she likes you now. Why are you talking like this? My mother likes you now. No. What are we talking about here? My wife you know, so rock. It's as if you're land, you're so. What are you talking about? Why would she like you? No, give me one reason why she wouldn't like you. Why? No, tell me why. A love song. If we're a love song, who is Davido? You're quite a whiskey. That's it. I'm on my playlist on repeat, baby. You know what? Let me go shower, and then I'll eat. There's food, right? There's food, right? Yes. There's food, right? Mm-hmm. There's food. And then I'll eat. Then Iman. Hey! Mwah! See my girl. Sweetness. If you know Olympics, that Muna gold medal can make me fair. What are we talking about here? We say both wow sense or again they could make just they couldn't want for Muna. Titi lie. Mwah! My baby one. Hey! Mwah! My dad. Titi lie. Okay.
Mama, you're here already. I made you fried plantain with eggs.
Can you ever see this fry? Huh? Fried plantain, fried egg. I should eat. Am I your meat? Do you want to give me cholesterol? You want me to die before you know that you're serving me the wrong food?
No, Mama. We actually use very good oil here. And I used little amount of it.
That does not change the fact that you fried it. If we were to be an Anambra girl, to quickly make more money and prepare pap, and thereby avoiding anything that has to do with fry. But your own, it's possible you fry tea. If it's possible for you, you fry tea. When will you start making homemade meals? Healthy meals? I want my son to be impotent that he will not be able to do anything again when he gets married.
I'm sorry, Ma. Okay, Mama, let me just make you some.
You got up here. It's not my son's money. So that you will say, oh, that woman is wicked. She doesn't allow me to have peace. It doesn't look hot. Where's drinking water?
I'll bring it now.
Naga, left leg, left leg. My son's money.
Oh, I did. I washed them.
You did what?
I was washing my clothes, including Ifine's own, so I decided to help you pick your used clothes and help you wash them.
Ayongi? No, Ayongi, did I ask you, did I beg you to wash my used clothes for me? Eh?
Sorry, ma.
Sorry, Nkege. All these things in Evuka, my son, no baggy. My son will not marry you. The earlier you realize it and move on, the better for you. Do it now, you still have time. Make hay while the light shines. Because very soon it will be dark. And you cannot group in the dark and you can't find husband in the dark. You can't give my clothes. I'm not going to results now. Make my money. Because this will change my one go. I'm not dying and me, got my prayer.
Mama, good morning.
Sandra can I go again? Sandra! Huh? Oh. There I go.
Mama, you cold?
I thought you had slept here today.
Yes, Mama, I just did.
You just did?
Yes,
So what happened to that debt? Is it the one I'm going to sweep? My own portion?
Mama, I just swept here now. I don't know how this...
Really? So you want to marry my son? And you don't know how to sweep? So your mother, your Imo mother did not teach you how to sweep? The least of it. How to sweep. Ah! Alwe meki. Nchameriki.
I'll just get broom and pack as
You
well.
don't need to worry yourself. That is your business. I've taken my record already. So I don't even need your explanation. Let me go and bring something and sweep it. No problem. What happens to Aziza? What are you doing with this? Is it part of the Aziza we know? Is this broom? So Roba Brugo broom. Is this broom? Why if I'm from Bimo? What happened to Pamphor? What happened to Hey! Aziza! Obro Roba! Hanger! This is the reason he cannot sweep well. In Aziza now. Then here. You see the way he went. The other no. Nonsense. 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 Madam,
Ma,
what do you think you're doing?
I'm making dinner. Ifeanyi will soon be back.
You're making dinner.
Yes, ma.
So all this fry again? Are you not tired of frying? Also, cooking fry your water. Huh? So you want us to continue to dwell on this oil, plenty of it? Eh?
But Mama,
But nothing. Allow me to cook for my son and I today. I want us to eat healthy food. But once let us eat healthy food before my wear.
Mama, what do you want to make? Let me just help you make it.
Don't worry. I can make it for myself. So you know you can make it. You didn't make it. You're waiting for me to tell you the one to make. The more to happen now, I can't go. See what she's cooking. I personally prepared this food. Can't you see the difference? I mean, I need modern food.
Wow, that's quite more.
But is this one not nice?
Oh, it's nice now. It's nice. It's nice. But, I mean, Sandra is also a good cook, you know?
How is she a good cook?
Yes, she's a good cook.
When she cannot cook modern local food.
See?
This vegetable now, if you know the kind of nutrients to give to your blood, this kind of food you need to perform as a man.
Now, because stop saying this now. Sandra is a good cook.
How is she a good
Mama
cook?
is in your form.
Can she cook good, healthy, local food? Eh?
Mama, please.
I'm money na nege fry you fe. I fry a stew. I fry jollof rice. I fry. If any ne fry.
Mama, she's a good cook. Her meals are good. Yes.
Can she cook with apple? Can she cook with phone?
Yes.
Okwa. Can she cook? Can she wash okwa? Pick it, make it, and for somebody to eat. Come on, can she cook it?
Mama, look, if you have a problem with her style or the way she cooks, I mean, you can teach her your own recipe and then she'll make it. Like I said, she's a good cook.
If I should teach her the things she will cook, what is the duty of her mother? I'm going to give her good money to go and cook. That she cooks rubbish for you. What is that?
Mama, please.
Go check it out to go for yours. Look for another person.
Mama, please let me eat now. Let me eat now.
I'm not saying you should not eat. I am anonymous. That's all I said. I didn't say anything wrong to make you stop eating.
Mama, let me eat, please now.
I said eating. Imo. No. I am anonymous.
Strengthen those he has already consecrated by holy baptism, that they may be faithful to each other forever, and assume all the responsibilities of married life.
You know what to do? You're watching wedding. Look at the way you're lying down complacently. Abana monolakum gakwite no rangwa. Look at the way you relax watching television from morning till night. No work. Now so you will take become wife. Wife material. Television material. Oh, Panchamo! Fiancé! The nefes are sincere. Oh, Fana!
Mama, there is nothing else for me to do in the house.
Jose, you have done everything. Can't you carry pure water and be selling it since you don't have anything to do? Therefore, you should come and cross your legs lying down on somebody's sweat to watch television. Have you seen what your life has become? Yet you want my son to marry you. Is this how he's going to marry you? I don't blame you. It is my son I blame, who provides you with everything, yet you do nothing. Lazy fool. Lazy idiot. Nenia, Mbanuku, we're not going baka. So that he will bring the money and you do the eating. Igaheri wono. Akwagi mama, ige your mouth. Ile ga rap no no ke. Akwagi. Amosu. If azuronta. Ewo, mama na sonso.
Mama, good afternoon, Ma. Mama, I hope you had a good day today.
You didn't make it bad.
Sorry, Mom. Well, I bought you this beautiful clothes. I know you will like them.
Beautiful clothes.
Yes, Ma.
Eh?
I know you will like them.
You can't be nothing.
No, Mama, you know I can't buy you in Benuko.
They're fine, but they're not my kind of clothes. I don't wear this type. Look at this one, is red. Childish. It's not my style.
Mama, you've not even opened them to see what's in it. Besides, I called Ifeanyi before buying them and he said these are your kind of clothes.
Really? Then force me to open it. Better still wear it on me. Is it by force? Did I ask you to buy me any clothes? You called Ifeanyi. You see how you lavish my son's money? Eh? You go about lavishing his money on any small notice. Did I beg you?
But Mama, I just...
You will like it. They are beautiful. Who told you they are beautiful? Look at the type you're wearing, tight body. It's not the same thing you bought for me.
Mama, never mind.
Never mind, Nkeki. Have you seen you don't have one single respect? You're telling me at this age, never mind. Because I refuse to accept one useless thing you bought for me. You go about squandering my son's money. My money I bought for you. Is it your money? You're living with a man that is not your husband. My son's money is what you're doing, never mind. You go carry this and get the money from me. This is right. You're going to get me. If I beg you to buy me clothes, that's how you go wasting his money. Hard-earned money. You don't end up with that 1 naira. My money. Nonsense.
Now, why now? I thought by now both of you would be getting along now.
Getting along, Onyebe. How can I be getting along with Onyemo? Eh? You will not marry that girl. The earlier you tell her so that she can start going, the better. I've told you to settle that girl. Let her go. Tell her to go. What are you doing with her?
I like that girl.
Like you also. Look for another girl and like. I'm your mother. I know what is best for you. Yes! You need a woman that will be there for you. You work so hard that you cannot just come back and meet a house that is not with a good woman. When you come back, you need freshly homemade food. Eh? Yes, I know Sandra is pretty, but let her remain in that her pretty state. Because she's not homely at all. She doesn't know how to do anything. You need a wife that will take care of you and take care of your children. Eh?
Mama.
She is not homely. It's also frying eggs up and down. Bob and fry.
Oh, I don't see this now. Hey, go come that girl ring go.
Listen, go and collect it from her because you will not marry that girl. If you don't know what to do with the ring, give me. Let me go and sell it to Abuki. Let me pawn it and use the money and buy land for you in the village. Yes! Only girl need them in the marriage. Eh? Tell her early so that she can start going. Let her go. Yes. not marry that thing.
Please, think about this thing.
I am not thinking. There's no time to think about it. Even if I'm dead, you will not marry her.
Mama, don't say this thing.
You will not marry her.
Things like this, because
If I'm a man, no, yeah.
don't say things like this, because think about it, because
I have told you, you will not marry. You will not marry her before I'm talking to you.
What are you doing there?
Huh?
What are you doing inside?
Oh, I'm washing clothes. It's in the washing machine.
What? Why are you not so
Yes, Mama.
So you cannot use your bare hands when you use your bare hands and wash clothes for the man you claim to have loved. Eh? So you're using this thing to spoil my son's expensive clothes.
Come on now, Mama. This thing cannot spoil his clothes. It only makes the work easier.
Really? Says a lazy girl from a lazy generation. Go and switch that thing off. You're using it to waste my son's electricity. How much do you contribute in electricity in this house? How much do you contribute? What did you bring into this house?
Ifeanyi is not complaining.
How will he complain? Mama Chupo Ezuruonye. Ano. Why would you complain when you have bewitched him with your emoism? Ifeanyi is not complaining. Eh? Eh? Come on, I want you that thing now.
Mama, I'm not done washing. When I finish washing, I'll turn it off. Mama, what are you doing? Mama, no, I'm still washing now. I'm not done washing.
Use your bare hands and wash it. When you want to move, they get poor.
Come, Mama, I'm not done washing now. That is why you will do it.
Listen, I don't want to see that thing come on again. Look, I have to come and deal with you. Where are you going? Oh, have you seen it? I knew it! Pretender during the war. I knew it that one day your real self will manifest. Now, over him when you're now, you have shown yourself, you're disrespecting me. No problem. If I will hear it, I will tell him. I will tell him. Up here? It's me you're walking out from up here?
Hey. Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm fine.
I don't think so. We can talk.
What is it about your mom?
I don't understand.
What am I doing wrong? She picks on everything since she got here. Or is that how she is?
You know, the question is, aren't you tired?
Tired of what? What do you mean?
I mean, with all her drama, with, the way she behaves, to you.
What are you saying? We're getting married.
Yes, that's the plan, but look, okay, what I'm trying to say is this, okay? You can't deny the realities of time. What I'm getting at is this, okay? We're in love, yes, but we cannot deny the fact that we don't know this thing about Anambra and Imo getting married, you know, the bad luck that comes with it.
What is, like... Okay.
Yeah, I mean, even my mom said the same thing. I mean, that's why she's doing all these things to you. Trust me. And, you know, if she doesn't accept you...
Can you just shut it? So you wasted how many years of my life and you're saying this?
Look, don't take it like this. Look, you know I love you, but it's... Babe. Babe.
Open up the door to your heart. Open up the door to your heart. Ibikinaga. Oh, Mali Chan, why don't you know that you're mine? My mind. And even if them try, I be the last one to let you go. I don't go let you go, no, 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 no. Because Sasaki be the only one with it like my fire. Sasaki be the only girl I can trust when my heart. Sasaki, the one that's meant for me, meant for me, yeah. Not gonna place no one else above you, and I will always do what you want me to. I know, say I don't break your heart before, girl.
Leave this place.
Just hear me out, please.
I said you should leave. Leave! I said you should go. Leave this place.
Open up the door to your heart. I want it how it used to be. You throw it back. You throw it back for it. Because Sasaki be the only one with it like my fire. Sasaki be the only girl I can trust when my heart. Sasaki, the one that.
Don't be like this. Come on now, let's talk. Babe, at least let me drop you off. Don't be like this now. Come on. Babe.
Suzuki.
I like Romifa. I don't like this. I don't like this.
What is it I like? What don't you like? What I do, I am let her kill herself. What is it?
I hope you had the wrong one, man.
And who cares? Is she the only one who been a drama? Have you asked me if you'll be the mama?
She didn't even let me drop her off.
Let her be. Oh, what? Let her go. Is she the only woman in this universe? I'm trying to deliver you from the bondage of Ndimo and your behavior. Out. Are you the only man she knows?
Mama,
you know, people, they know how to double date. They follow men differently.
Mama, this girl's a good girl. This girl takes care of me. She's a nice person. This is
Every
so wrong.
Anambra woman is nice, especially from Newe. Give another woman a chance and you will enjoy it. She will take care of you. She will pamper you. She will make you Am I not taking care of you?
Mama,
Am I not taking care of you?
That's not the point. I don't like
That
this.
is the point.
I don't like this.
If I Chupu, that is the point. Again, do. Next one, I can't on our trolley. Our box all the brunishi as the person that really want to leave on our quiet guy. Next one, you throw that dog around. If I give another woman a chance.
Sorry, I'm coming. Hey, Mama! Hey! Oh, welcome. Mama, no. Mama, welcome.
That is the package I promised you. There are someone. This is the kind of girl you have always wanted. Jara Tiaroba. A girl that will always take care of you and take care of your home. And give you plenty of children. Obra Jala. Ofolo. Obroya. Leave me alone. I'm not like Ngozi when it comes to serious matter. Why are you dragging me like that?
But I have a girlfriend now.
What's a girlfriend? It's not a girlfriend. Obi is a boy. Ikabo Obi. Actually, a man. When you're driving this big car, are you still a boy? You're my girlfriend. We're talking about wife, and this is the wife. First class wife. She's from Nnewi. Akaba Edoji, to be precise. Very close to our village. Ifria. Ne, we can go why of ma.
Afambo Adugo. Nwa Stephen Okonkwo.
Born, raised, bred, buttered in Nnewi. Nwa marriage matters oji na aka ya na. Okwa nurse. Hey! Certified nurse. You need to say Ghana chemist, Mona pharmacy. Once you're sick, she'll just give you injection. Hey! When your children are sick, you know what I mean. She'll be taking care of them. Let me take her to your room.
No. Excuse me. Hold on. Mom, please. Take her to the guest room now.
Why guest room?
Why my room?
Is she a guest? She's a wife. Why taking her to the guest room? Let her stay in the same master room with you. So that you get to know yourselves, get to get acquainted, get to know Mummy Grimo, you know what I mean? You know what I mean? No, let's go, let me take you. You're your husband's house. Hey! Oh! Come. Keep that bag. See your room. See everywhere. This is going to be your room with your soon-to-be husband. Feel at home. Everything is for you.
Dalone.
Look at everywhere. See your bathroom.
Dalone.
Wardrobe. This is for you. Where you keep your things. This is where you keep your shoes, your bags. See your husband's home. Everything is complete. No is the one. Not very much. Feel free. You understand? This house is your house. Do whatever thing you want. Anyone that you're finding it difficult to understand, ask your husband. In fact, he's your husband. Don't be shy about anything. Feel free. Jollificate. Enjoy yourself.
Dalone.
And freshen up. And come and let's arrange food so that your husband can eat.
Okay.
Oh,
Thank you, Mama.
Oh,
Mama, thank you.
Oh, no.
What's going on?
Can you leave me alone? What happened?
Please sleep. Sleep.
Make we
do it.
Make we understand each other very well now. You know, say we go soon marry.
Eh, but we're not married now. Make we do it. We're not married. Please. Sleep, please. Just try and sleep. Please.
But you na very fine man, no. Eh? You na very, very fine man.
Thank you.
Mama no lie you. Ha! See, I promise to make you very happy.
What is this now? What's wrong with you now? Don't you go to church? What is this now? Nagakoka. Stop this now. Sleep. We're not married now. No.
Oh, you say we're so married.
We are not married. Please, stop this. Please. Sleep now. What are you doing? Why kneeling down? Why? You could stand up now.
Okay, Mama sikuze me mani buchukum.
Chuku.
Igwa mkoloto ngako.
I'm not your God. You couldn't now chuku biko stand up, kuloto biko.
Sir.
Fine.
Okay, fine, Chuku, sir. Bikono, notice them, you're the one always closing your gates, washing your car, cleaning everywhere, picking the dirt.
Yeah.
I'm me immediately boy that can help you do all of these things. Anyway, I'm younger brother. I can tell him to come if you want.
I don't understand, but I need a boy to, I need a house help.
No, Obulo, not the house. More, I can do everything that is in the house. I can clean, I have a younger brother that can help you in your business. Imanyambalia. So help.
Like an apprentice.
Bam, one boy.
Okay, I'll discuss that with my mother first, and then we'll get back to you. Yeah.
Okay, sir.
Okay. You're fine.
Fine, sir.
Atogum. Can you just call me Fine?
Brother, if I'm going to
About your brother, eh?
Yes. He's free now.
My is in Ochohoya. My mother has arranged, for something else. Okay? Sorry.
No.
Mama.
Before.
Ma biko. You wouldn't because you're a village now. This is a village girl now. How do you expect me to marry this girl now? How?
She's not a village girl.
What is a village girl now? We are winning village. We are women.
She went to school. She's a nurse.
Nurse, give me auxiliary nurse.
A nurse is a nurse.
From the village.
She learnt her own in a maternity hospital in the village.
How many?
She's a qualified nurse.
Qualified Mama.
What does a nurse do? Is it not to buy injection now?
Mama.
She has it.
Mama, please now stop this. Now I can't marry this girl. Now stop this.
That is how marriage is done. Get in a very sink and walk. Why won't it work?
But this girl is not meant for the city.
Oh, what you want is those hot girls in the city. That type. That will be squandering your money on nothing, and they will not be able to take care of your home. Is that what you want?
But this girl is not for the city. I mean,
this is not for... Mold her to your taste.
Not this.
This is a cool-headed girl from a very good family.
Which good family?
She's even God-fearing.
Which God-fearing, Mama?
She will teach your children how to go to church and pray well.
Mama, that's why you took her to my room. Why will you take her to my room?
So how will you know her well if I don't?
No, she should be in the guest room now.
That one you were staying in the same room with. Were you married to her? Were you not staying in the same room? Was she staying in the guest house? In the guest room? Those ones, they are bobogo. How abogo? What we found was everything inside has been used. Whatever. This one is original. Those ones are fairly used. In fact, second hand.
Mama, I should be in my room now doing this. Now you took somebody to my room.
Let her stay there. That is where she belongs. Let her stay there. Let her stay there. Onwe imo ka ịchọrọ maka o toro ogologo ma ha gbaji ebua. Nonsense. Adugo. Maybe go ka pagodo nke be ezigbo nkata bara uru. O ndị na-anya ọnụnọ. This is what it looks like to have a young and fresh Anambra girl in a home. That's the food. Nne, asam, amoma asaro. Aso obodo oyibo mo. Nne, thank you for this food.
Thank you.
Thank you. Now, how do you see the food?
It's okay.
Then why is it okay? What happens to it is perfect. When was the last time you ate freshly prepared food like this one, if not for the one I made for you? Oh! They got a color. Two together. Forever. Ne, Isika.
Thank you.
They go and bring your own and come and join us. Are you different from us? this your husband to be.
Thank you. Thank you, ma.
Oh! If you go, what is the anya and the guy there? And I will pass it up for Venezuela. If you're the one, you know, for no good to get to ya. One near to Nia. Eh?
What's that your name again? I do it. Please, don't do this. Don't do this. No, you can't do this. No, you can't be mopping.
I'm not complaining. I have energy.
What energy are you talking about?
All of this place and clean the streets too.
Clean what street?
No problem.
No, I'm sorry, you can't do this. There's somebody assigned to do this, okay? So, excuse me, the person comes every 3 days, so the person will do the job. There's no problem. I mean, you can't be mopping here.
No problem, sir.
No, please.
Abigo, at least, come on, she's right. You have worked enough. Eh? I know you like to work, you love it. But at least rest.
Don't worry, I'm not complaining. I'm not.
Go and eat. You can continue later.
Mama, I am not hungry. I'll eat later.
Mama, tell her there's somebody assigned to do this. She can't be... What's this?
It's like if we have something to talk about. Let me just go to the bathroom and continue.
But you won't listen. That's one Toro gonna go to Kosisi. Will she be able to do this? Look at her, she said she's even going to mop the street. I told you, but you wouldn't listen. I said, give her a chance and she will take you to the moon and back. Eh? Look at she has cleaned here, cleaned the back, cleaned inside the house, washed your car, everything. Eh? And she even said she's going to mop the street for you to walk on as the king you are.
Mama, I don't need that to clean my street. What does that mean? That's doing too much now.
It is not too much. It's to prove her love for you.
Oh, which street? How can she be mopping? No, I can't allow this, please. No. Please, excuse me, you have to stop this. No.
Just let her be. Let her be.
Please stop.
Good morning, sir.
Give you name.
Washing clothes.
Washing which clothes? No, seriously, what are you doing? What are you doing? Didn't you see a washing machine? Come on now. Oh my God, this particular one here is for the dry cleaners. Now they'll come pick it up.
Sir, I don't need to use washing machine to wash your clothes now. And my swak, and my susha kwaike. If you and my swak or fuma, susha ya iga like here. Mana, you don't need to give your clothes to dry cleaner. Don't worry. When I'm done, I'll quickly prepare something for you to eat. And also wash off your body, wash you, scrub your back, scrub everywhere, make you clean. I can do that. You don't need to worry. Don't worry, I'll soon finish.
I just want to tell you I've seen everything you're doing here. I've seen how you've been, really taking care of this house, and indeed I am very grateful. Thank you.
It's okay, sir. It's my duty to take care of you.
Okay. Again, can we just stop this sad thing, please? My name is Ifeanyi now. Why you call me Ify?
Okay, sir.
Another thing is, I know I've been acting like I've not been seeing you or noticing you, but the truth of the matter is I have. And you're very beautiful. Thank you once again for taking care of me and my house. Let me go take my bath.
We'll go together.
Huh?
Yes, now you say you. This is how we get to know each other. We'll go inside together.
It took less time than expected. It took less than no time than expected to walk. And a woman is shooting called Joya. Enjoy. Enjoy. You see, I've been waiting for you on this matter. You have not said anything concerning this girl, and time is ticking.
What do you expect from me now? I mean, I know the girl she's nice, she cooks well, she's hardworking.
That one to follow. Even a blind person will see that she's a very hardworking girl. She cooks well, like you rightly said. But that's not what I'm talking about. Eh? When are you going to see her people?
So what are
you waiting for? Eh? I heard sound the other night. Come to us in the
Mama, okay,
oh, you know, in our family, we don't turn before marriage. Now, to put going and go not don't want bam bam bam. Hurry up and go and do the needful. Before you plan other things much later. You're the first person to turn this girl. Huh? Yes!
Mama,
what do you know? Do you know where I went to pick that girl? well packaged girl. That's I say one man, then I call you. I'm the first. My brother the last. Go and marry her. Go and pay her bride price as quickly as possible. Before you have to
I'll make plans.
Since you have Tana, go and quickly pay her bride price. Yes, just that she's a good girl. If not, by now she has started making trouble. Because once you Tana a woman, it will be problem.
I want to go
Because the children will go, when I town her soggy. Eh?
Mama, I was actually,
Hey, continue. I'm not stopping you from doing your business. Now you have heard me. But I'm being at that. That's what we're talking about. Do. And you're not for now. For no more tire go. Now the right thing has been done. Nobody will question you. You are now a wife, fully a wife. Nobody will question you people. You show them that there is money and there is money. And when they go. Agone. Oh, dogo akataka. Nkine meka mana nka na ebo ko ebo obaja di nani. Na no. My daughter-in-law. Ezigbo nwan. Congratulations. You are now a wife, fully a wife. Welcome fully to my family.
Mama, because go. Ozugo, stop this congratulations to my house. You could go in so many times and I'm tired of hearing it. What is it now? And why did you follow us back to this house? Why didn't you stay back in the village? Is that not your husband's house? This is my husband's house. Please, just go back to your husband's house. And let me tell you, it's time we start making adjustments. So, can I make adjustments in this house? Enough is enough, and I'm tired. Welcome to my house. Welcome to my house. Congratulations to your house. Is it your house? Oh, Bedigi, because number.
Adamu. Asamu. Have you prepared breakfast? I am very hungry. I need to eat something.
And who is asking?
No one. Am I not your mother-in-law? I'm your mother-in-law.
So how does that affect me? If you want to eat breakfast, go and sort yourself out.
Listen. What are you even saying? Does that mean my son did not eat anything before leaving for your shop this morning?
What kind of stupid question is that? Abum cook na this house. Huh? Abum cook na this house. He left like that, he will sort himself out.
No problem. Let me eat my own here. You know I did not go anywhere, so I won't be able to sort myself out. If I had gone to the shop, I would sort myself out. But for now, I'm still in the house. Go get my food. Let me eat.
Imani the very stupid. The very, very stupid. Oh, Ibalebe, madam. That is why you followed us from the village back to this place so that I will serve you. Okwaya, Ibera Lagos. If you don't go inside there and prepare something for you to eat, I'll go get boogie. Hunger will kill you in this house. Hunger will kill you.
What are you saying? Is there something you're not telling me? This is very much like no problem. I know you're tired because of the event at the village. Let me quickly make us food so that we can all eat. No problem. What's over I'm still strong, I can cook. Let me go and do it. Oh, Adam. Hey, Mama. No, I don't. It's when you're washing. Help me wash these clothes. Yes.
Wait.
Okay.
Please, if you're washing, help me wash this clothes too. Concentrate on the armpits, the backside, you know, everywhere. And make sure you wash it clean. You throw my clothes on the floor? You throw my clothes on the floor!
This thing you are doing is turning into something else. And you think I will stand and watch you do this? No, Mama, funny. I should wash your dirty clothes for you.
Yes, wash it! Wash it! This is my husband's house. And I cannot live in this house as a maid. Wash these clothes and wash them very clean.
Really? You think you have arrived because you have succeeded in marrying my son. Watch it. Before I start reporting issue to my son.
Report me to your son. What will he do? No, I want to know, what will your son do? Shameless woman. Won't you go back to your husband's house? Or is your husband dead? Did you kill him? Shameless woman. And see, you think I've not heard your story? I've heard your story. I've heard everything. How you chase your son's wife to be. I'm not that kind of person, no. Moabu Adugo. You cannot control me. I will deal with you. I've not even started with you. You're shaking. Hey! Igafu. Don't worry. Pack these clothes and go and wash them. And make sure you wash it very clean. Okay, you don't want to give me your clothes again? You trying to buy soya? You don't want me to wash it again? Oh, you can now wash. You have hands. You can wash. You're in this house, you want to control me. It's not possible. I can never be controlled. Moabu Adugo can never be controlled in this house. You've not even seen anything. Where did she keep it? Don't start doing everywhere for me. Welcome, my husband.
Yeah, good evening. Mama, kind of with me. What's going on?
Joe, your so-called wife. Jubai, ask her.
Ask me what? Ask his wife, Gini. I don't understand. I don't want your wahala this evening, no. Just respect yourself.
Excuse me? Why would you be talking to my mother in that manner? Why would
I talk to her like that? What is going on?
What's going on? What's happening?
Did you hear her? Did you hear when she called me a so-called wife? Please, oh. Ogini.
Mama, what's going on, please? What's happening?
Nothing is going on. Tell your mother, if she wants to eat in this house, she should go to the kitchen and prepare something for herself to eat. Nobody is a slave.
When did that start? So when did that start?
Since today. You better go upstairs and bathe so that I can serve you dinner. Except you don't want to eat. You try to eat me. Or you want to eat your mother's food. Or I'll go begging at this house. Bia. What is going on here?
What does it look like it is going on?
See that kitchen pour. See that pour.
What is wrong with you?
What are you doing here?
Iya, give me the pot. I am not done dishing food for myself.
Get out of the kitchen. You have no place here. This is now my kitchen.
No. This is my son's house. And this kitchen is in my son's house.
Okay.
This house belongs to my son. For 9 months. I carried him 9 months in this room. Suckled this breast for almost 2 years. So you don't have any right to disrespect me in my own son's house. I didn't come to your father's house.
Anako, nonsense. Bullshit! Bullshit! Now, Kangwage, if you don't get that girl, he stayed there for 9 months. And you see this your breast? He suckled it for 2 years. Man, if you don't get that man, this one, he will stay here. He will live here for the rest of his life until he dies. And you see this breast? He will suck it until his hair goes grey. So, sit na kitchen. Get out!
Give me that. You are looking for my trouble. In our family.
Stay back here.
Where, Ben?
Get out of this kitchen!
Give me the pot.
Give you what? Get out of this kitchen!
Get out!
You won't see anything in this house. This is my place. Wow. This is my husband's house. You have no right here. You have the husband's house. People want to give. Is your husband dead? Is he dead? You cannot be here and control me now. This is my husband's house. I'm in charge. If you're eating rice, you go with me.
Where are you? Hi.
Mama.
I don't give a
Oh, please.
I don't give
Why did I do on the ground? Okay. I don't understand. What do you mean? What did I do to do? Why are you on the ground?
Adugo pushed me so hard on the ground. She used all her strength as a young girl. No matter. You know, all my life, this phase has been very painful, has been paining me.
Mama. Hold on. You mean Adugo did this to you?
I won't go here, man.
Adugo, what now?
I didn't do anything to her. I didn't do anything to her. She pushed me.
Sorry, ma. Sorry, ma. Adugo did this to you?
Yes, sir.
Adugo did this?
Yes, sir.
Adugo. Yeah, Adugo. Okay, come down. What is going on? What happened?
Meaning of what?
Meaning of why would you get my mother to the ground? Why would you push my mother?
Pick up my log cooking on.
It's okay.
One log cooking on. Your mother is trespassing in my house.
Mom trespassing.
Hey, don't add to my anger. Inugo, don't.
I shouldn't add to your anger. Adugo, why would you push another woman to the ground? Now don't add to my anger.
Your mother is trespassing in this house. Doing what I asked her not to do. She pushed me first.
She pushed you first?
Yes.
See, okay, and all ask because first of all, who are you to order my mother?
I don't know again. And anything I say in this house must stand. Your mother will do as I say.
Mother will do as you say.
Yes.
You pushed an elderly woman, and my mother must do as you say. Adugo, wait for I'm on bomb with the Guinea sea, but wait for bomb back. Oh, that's all I may explode. Now, I'm sure no give look at the violence. Adugo. Adugo.
Kifigeme, da, name anya, if you looking at your mother. Oshalo.
What's it, Cham?
Mwa, I will deal with you. Kina your mother.
You deal with me.
If you do anyhow, you will see anyhow. Oshalo.
Adugo.
Oshalo.
Adugo. It's lucky I don't violence. Adugo, go for bomb back.
Because in Zuzu.
Yeah, but I wait for again.
meaning of that? Can't you say I was watching something?
I want to watch another thing.
Why are you doing this? Yeah? Do you realize this has been my house, my own son's house before you came?
Mama. Biko, I am here now. I am what? I am your son's wife. Inugo?
Adugo, please, I don't have strength for your trouble. Change back this channel where you took it away from. Change it back.
Mama Biko, Ikadilom. Ikadilom, just take your miserable self back to your room if you don't want to watch this channel.
Look, what has gotten into you? You've been mistreating me all of a sudden. Oh. What did I ever do to you?
Oh, shock, Ologi. He shocked you. Hey! So, Onadigika, what you ordered versus what you got, Sokwaya? So, Mama, you think you can just bundle me from the village and bring me here as again? As what, Anmajuge? Housemaid or housewife? Mama, that's your plan. It's that kind of thing. Muabadugo. Hey! Hey! I am not going anywhere. This is my rightful place. Bianu, asgene. Mwiye mwagi. Bianu! Dawa. Today? What are you talking about? And you're sleeping on my couch. You're sleeping on my couch with such smell.
Baby, what are you talking about? Me smelling?
Because Suzuki be never also. Suzuki be never asking me stupid question. Be never also. Go to your room. Yes, go there and choke yourself with that smell.
Me smelling?
Be never also. Suzuki be never also. Me sikonzu now. Esse cuco, o que é lá? O uso. Come in.
Mama, what is going on? Guys have been calling me, telling me to come back. What's happening? Okay.
Oh, what do? Oh, what do? There was nothing. She did not call me today. There was no name that girl did not call me today. I was sitting in the parlor watching TV on my own. She came to sniff me like a dog. She was smelling me, sniffing me like this. Say, Mama, you're smelling like a dead, you're smelling like a corpse, rotten corpse. She now ordered me out of the sitting room. I was there, she brought air freshener, started spraying in the sitting room.
What?
Me. I started perceiving myself. I'm not smelling. I'm not smelling. He said I'm smelling.
Have you seen it? No, have you seen it now? No, have you seen it? I told you let me marry the person I love, the person I know, but you said no, she's from Imo State. Have you now seen it? That girl deceived you, deceived me into marrying her. She pretended like she was a good person, and now look at what she has done to you.
I know, but I'm sorry.
You're sorry?
I didn't know she's like
that. Why would she sleep you? For what? Are you a dog in this house for that? No. Give me no for what?
Don't go.
No, get it.
Don't touch her.
Why not?
Whatever she does, don't touch her.
No, why would she do that to you?
Her family is dangerous. Her younger brother is taking the mini fats. All her wanna manufacture in their house. All those kidnapping happen in the village. Daddy was arranging it too.
What? What are you saying?
It was a mistake. Don't just blame me. Your heartbreak will kill me. Your heartbreak will kill me. Don't shout. I will die. You please don't shout.
I thought you. Yeah? It's not again again. Eh? I do go Yeah, in our hour.
Oh, give your mother now the hour.
It's again.
Oh, give your mother now the hour. Hey! You should eat me ife. Biachelu, you should eat me ife. You make a ta me to fiam. I want you lego film. Kita. You think I'm one of those girls smuggling out water from village? Those akukwe licking your ass. Mbano. Una abanyego.
In our way, see this your madness. If you're mad, trust me when I say there are people who are. There's no one called madder than you. I am one. I'm madder than you. I'm let me tell you this now. Trust me, Biko. Trust me when I say I am mad. And I'm telling you this. Listen to me. While I am still sane, while I am still gentle just a little bit right now, because trust me, you're going to see another person. You're going to see another being. Pack your things and leave my house.
Leave my husband's house. Hey, tell your mother to pack her things and leave this house. This is my husband's house. Tell her to go back to her husband's house.
No be no be akwara bikono. If I bago, if I could go. If I could go, bago. Okay.
The bills you are to clear.
What bills? What bills? What are you talking about?
School fees for my 3 siblings. That one is 600,000. Money for my father's hospital bill. That one is 250,000. And the money for my mother as pocket money, 400,000. My own maintenance fee, 500,000.
I'll give it. I don't understand. What is this?
Don't you know it's your responsibility to take care of me and my family?
Excuse me? Because this is problem. As what? No, tell me as what? As DBIO? No, what DBIO? No, you're a native doctor that you conjure whatever and then money will disappear from my bank account or my pocket into yours. And I want 600,000 for your 3 siblings. Excuse me? Not because in the village. How were you surviving in that village before you escaped from the village that's calling me through my mother and to me, to my house?
Before you brought me from the village to this place, don't you know it is your role as a husband to take care of me and my family? I
didn't bring you from the village. My mother brought you, okay? Oh. Yes, my mother brought you here. So please, channels off. Oh yeah, get off my way. Asking the channel.
Hey! Hey! Ifeanyi Chukwu! You will send this money by force. You will send it. Ordinary 600,000, 250,000, 400,000 there, 500,000 there. In our boss, only Akagom. Yeah. So you're giving your son suggestion to send me back to my father's house, eh? Which managing why you're sogi. That's why you're talking anyhow. This is my husband's house. Go back to your husband's house. What
did I do to you? I'm in my husband's house. What did I do to you? I'm even Maggie.
It's time for you to go. Stand up. You don't need to go. Stand up from there. Stand up from there.
You know what I did to you. Keep like this, no, I'm pack your things and get out of this place. I don't give an arrow. I brought you to marry my son. This is how you're going to pay me.
Why? Get out of this place this minute. Get out! What the kitchen come?
Leave me alone.
Where is she?
Come here. I don't leave me alone. Leave me alone. Come here. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Mama, leave me alone. What is it? Leave me alone. What is it? Leave me. You will enjoy me.
Put that balls on, you're still here. You don't like what I'll do to you. Pack this nonsense you call it belongings and get out of this house.
Adugo. So this is what I get for bringing you to marry my son. For bringing you into my son's life to better your life. To make you a better woman in the society. So this is what I get. It will never be well with you. See, it will never be well with you. You will suffer. In fact, this marriage you're bragging with, it will become fire for you. It will become a reproach to you. You will suffer.
Nonsense. This is Ifeanyi's house. Abumwi Ifeanyi. This is his house. And I am his wife. Your curses mean nothing to me. Go and one. You know? Ah! Dala. What is it? See the way she contaminated this house with her bad smell. Yes, I know you brought me to this house. But I want to marry your son in peace. Adugo! Open the point! You need to get out of this house, oh! Get out of this house! I don't want to come up and see you here! Get out! I want to marry your son in peace. What is it? See the way everywhere is smelling.
Mama? 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 Where's my mother? I'm talking to you, right? Please, where's my mother?
Why are you asking me?
Why won't I ask you? You're the only one in this house with her.
Am I her keeper?
It's again. Just listen, I don't have your time right now. You understand me? Please, just tell me where my mother is before I get even with you.
Your mother carried her bags and left.
Excuse me? No, Gengina. Wait, how can my mother leave without telling me? What did you do to my mother? Am I not talking to you? Where's my mother?
I threw her out of the house.
It's again.
Yes, what do you do?
Eh?
What will you do?
What will I do?
I noticed your mother is the weapon fashioned against this marriage, so I had to send her out of the house. And if you try rubbish in this house too, I will send you out of this house. You go and join your mother.
For your own good, for your own safety. Mostly for your safety. Because if I'm here, I don't know what will happen in the next 2 minutes. Please, sit. Going out, make sure you're out of this house. Pack your things and leave.
I am
not. You won't leave.
I won't.
You won't leave.
I am not going anywhere.
For your safety, leave this house.
I am not going anywhere. Fine, you chuku. I am not going anywhere. I will chase you out of this house. You will go and join your mother. I will chase you out of this house.
No problem. Don't leave this house. Don't leave this house.
And make sure you bring that money. See that money I told you to bring. Make sure you bring it back to this house. If you don't bring it back to this house, don't enter this house. So, else, me and you will enter one trouser. Come back here without that money. You will see that. Oh my God. You don't know me before you brought me from that village to this place. Hey, Abuni, ma'am. Hey, you will not be trying this rubbish with me. Nonsense. You came here to flex muscle. Flex muscle, you think I will shake? Hey, Mbano.
Mama, can you know? I've been calling you since.
That evil girl sent me out of the house.
I hope you didn't enjoy yourself. Nsobadi, I'm handling it.
Just don't touch her. She's a temptation.
Mama, I'll call you later. Sandra, pick up now. Pick up.
Open up the door to your heart. Open up the door to your heart. Ibikinaga. Oh, Mali-chan, why don't you know it's your mind?
Abi, this one won't come back house today. Also, Konawa. He will come back and meet me in this house. Look at the time. This should not be what I'm thinking. It should not be what I'm thinking of. Because he's going to get into more trouble. access.
What is it? Why are you disturbing my phone? You've been calling me the whole night and this morning you've started again. What's your problem? What do you want?
Biko, my love, sorry to disturb you. I want to ask you for something, please.
Rubbish. Hey? What is this guy's problem now? Hey? What's the color of your problem this morning? What is wrong with you? You're disturbing me.
Please, just
I don't want to hear what you have to say. Stop calling this number. Let this be the last time you call my phone. Rubbish. Can you imagine?
Where are you coming from? Where did you sleep last night? Oh, come on to come now, Ju. Shameless man. Onyala. Where are you coming from? Where did you sleep last night? Where are you coming from? Where did you sleep last night? Foolish man from a useless mother. Where are you coming from? Where?
Thank you for honoring my invitation. So what would you do? In fact, I know what you would drink.
Hey,
yes.
No. I didn't come here for that. What is it you want to talk about? So please, say it so I can leave. Don't even try it. Don't go there. That was in the past, so you do not have the right to call me that name again. What do you want?
Even when you're angry, you're ever so beautiful, you know? Okay, look. You know I know your heart, yeah? And I know this thing I'm going to ask you, you can do it for me. If you want to, you can still do it for me. Eh? This is why I need your help.
For what exactly?
I miss you.
Don't.
No, I miss
What is
you.
wrong with you now? Miss who?
I miss you.
Look, if you don't have something else to say, I will just quietly leave.
No, you can't leave because you're back with my emotions. You're back with my feelings. Everything about you is. I'm happy you're here. You know, so please, don't be like this. Oh, look, you know me. You know. When it comes to us, I've always reconciled events. Look, we have shared a lot together. You understand? A lot has happened, but at the same time, you know, first now, there's no problem in life that cannot be circumvented, you know? So let's circumvent this one. Let's reconcile events.
You must really think so highly of yourself to think that you will just come here and fix a problem you caused. Do you know the amount of insult I took from your home?
Man, let's not go there. Asam, let's not go there.
Hey, please! Excuse me.
Babe!
Them say you no good for me.
Hey!
Them say you don't use your juice, cause in my head, so I know where it pinches me. No matter what they say, I no go leave you alone.
Please, I don't have time for this.
goes in, my love. Please now.
Fine, please.
Please. I mean, haven't I suffered enough? Come on now.
Stop. Do not allow my mom come here to meet you.
Assam,
because she doesn't want to see you.
Assam, don't be like this now. Don't be like this, please. I mean, come on now. Look at me. I'm in the sun. I've been here how long? I've been waiting for you to come. Come on now. It took you how long to come here to see me? I mean,
is this what you came here to tell me?
I mean, come on now. Look at me in the sun. I'm talking to you and... Baby. Mama, I don't know what to do anymore. I don't know what to say. Sandra doesn't want me anymore. Yes, she said she has moved on. I don't know what to do. Mama Ozim.
I let you tell that girl badly. If only I can turn back the hand of time. And to that innocent, she was a very good girl. Everything I did to her, she never for one day raised her voice at me. But I sent her away to bring in fire into my son's house.
Mama, that's not the most important thing. The most important thing now is how I can get my girl back. That's it.
What of the witch in your house? What are you going to do with her?
That one, she's still here. She's still here, but look, I don't have her time now. Look, I just need to get Sandra back before it gets too late. That's it.
That girl will be a very huge temptation.
Mama, just pray for me. Just pray for me. That's all I'll say. Because I'm awesome. Oh my God, you look so... Well, I just like to say thank you. Thank you again. I mean, but I still admit, you know, you're still the most beautiful thing I know.
Ifeanyi, can you just stop? Stop it. I'm not in the mood for all your jokes. I came here out of courtesy. So please, say whatever you have to say. Let me leave. I have other important things to do.
Baharam now. I'm sorry, my love. I'm sorry. See, I'm sorry for the way you were treated. Everything was just orchestrated by my mother, you know. Oh, Mama, you know, it's my mom who did all of this, not me. You understand?
I heard you're married now.
My love, that woman was forced on me. Yeah, I have no choice. Now, that's not my choice. You're my choice. But you know my mom, and again, you know, she has health issues. You know, I just didn't want her to fall into depression. Why am I with BP?
And you couldn't defend me?
My love, Biko. Why your mom, Biko? Assam, Biko, please. Look, where I am right now is this. Please. All I just know is I want you back. I want you back in my life. Look, I need to fill in that void again. My home is not the same without you. My life is not the same without you.
So what happens to the abomination of you marrying a girl from my state?
That was my mother's talk, not me. Not me. My mother pushed me to this. My mother pushed me to this. I thought
you were a man. After everything I tried doing just for your mom to see difference in me, I thought I was dealing with a man. I never knew I was dealing with a child. A mommy's boy. Ifeanyi, with all the exposures, you travel around the world. Okay, let's forget about you selling in the market. You are learned. Yes, you are. But you cannot make a decision and stand on it.
I'm standing on this one now. I'm standing on this. No, trust me when I say, look, okay, now I'm passing the ball over to you. Okay, just say what you want. I've played my part. I know what I want. I want you. I want you in my life. Just say whatever you want, I will do.
You want me back?
Yes, I want you back.
You need me back.
I need you back. I need you back, Biko.
What about the woman in your house?
Hello? Hello, what is going on here? Who are you guys and how did you get access to my house?
Madam, this property has been fully bought by another client and it demands immediate evacuation of the building, at least in the next 30 minutes.
What is the meaning of that nonsense? This is my house. What are you doing here? I'm asking you a question. What are you doing here? How did you get access to my house? Okay, let me call my husband.
Madam, you are wasting our time.
Hey. Google this man. I don't know what's going on.
Now you have just 25 minutes to pick up whatever you need to pick up in this house, and then we lock up this place.
Hey, so where do I go from here? This man has played me. Oh. Why is he not picking his call? Wait, let me call him again. Just hold on. Let me call him. He's going to answer. He's my husband. Just hold on, please.
Your time starts now. Officer, lead her up. Make sure she gets all her things, and then we lead her out immediately.
Wait, hold on. Just hold on. He's going to answer. Just hold on. Let me ask. Wait, what's going on?
Please.
Okay, CJ. So this is how I'll go back to my father's house without a pain. This is how I ended my life.
Madam, can you please move? Keep moving, move.
Please, I am sorry.
I thought you said this house was free from every bad memory.
I'm sorry.
Please.
Just hear her out, please.
I didn't come here to mock you because I know I have wronged you. I pushed you away. I was trying to get the best for my son, but I ended up pushing him into fire. I am sorry. I am sorry for everything I did to you. My child, you're a good girl. Raised in a good home. I saw how loving and caring you were towards Ifeanyi. But I was, because of my ego and pride, maybe clouded my judgment. And I didn't remember all that. Please, my child, if there is any forgiveness left in you, please forgive me. I am sorry for everything from my heart. I know you make Ifeanyi a better person if you come into his life again. You take care of him. You take care of his home. You take care of his children. I am sorry. I am very sorry. Forgive his stupid mother and accept him back. How can I have been so stupid To throw a one marriage, I think all in the guys of Imo and Anambra, we are all one. I brought in fire that almost consumed my son and I. Please, I am sorry. All that is in the past now because he has formally divorced her. And I've come back to my senses as a human being. I promise you nobody will interfere in your marriage again, not even me. After now, I'll pack my things and go back to the village. Please, my child, please, and go.
No, Mama, please. It's okay, you don't have to cry.
I'm sorry.
You were only trying to protect your son. And you wanted the best for him.
And I hurt you in the process.
It's fine, you wanted the best for him. That's what every mother would do. It's okay, you don't have to cry. I forgive you and have forgiven you a long time.
Thank you.
Open up the door to your heart. Open up the door to your heart. Ibikinaga. Oh, Malisha, why don't you know that you're mine? Mine. And even if them try, I'll be the last one to let you go. I don't go let you go, no.